For your freebie this month, I have gone for an extension of the Denim journal, and you can either just print a whole lot of pages with the holly, or you can print a whole lot of pages with the place to write or stick a photograph, and of course they are printable back to back. When it comes to cutting your journal, remember that I do 2 different sizes so that when you print it back to back there isn't a white gap. So you will cut on the side that has the larger gap, because that will give you your 5x7 finished album once you fold it like so. I like to give the repeat design in 2 different sizes because there's so many different ways you can use this. You can die cut it, you can use it as card front bases, you can make tags from it, and of course you can even enlarge it to make a really huge box. I've printed this one A3, or you can print it A4 and make a smaller box. This box you can actually change the dimensions and get different size boxes out. Also have this card page to print. You chop it in half and you get 2 cards that are ready to go, fold, and they're blank inside, so you can use them as cards on gifts, cards for your neighbors, cards to post. The other thing I thought you could do with them is also chop this up. You can use these various bits as pockets in your journal, including this one. So, or you can print them double-sided with the holly and you can make them into tags. So this is just another fun part of the freebie for you to use. Lastly, also free but not part of this set and download, you have to actually go to my website, to the shop, and click on the freebies, and you will be able to download this one. And it has 2 pages in it. So the back is from the Illustrated London News, and so are these, I'm calling them initials because they are the beginnings of various paragraphs within the London News paper that I actually bought from 1867 when I was in the UK. I wasn't in the UK in 1867. I wish I could time travel, that would be interesting, but I did purchase the newspapers from then, and I have pulled out all the initials and put them together as a freebie as tags, and all you need to do is cut them out. I have inked the edges with black soot, and then I've used my single hole punch to punch out the hole for ribbon. So that's all in the freebies this month.